and this is Fred Locke, our Director of Engineering. And today we're going to show you how QwickACCESS combined with HP's Thin clients and Smart Zero clients provide fast, simple, and secure access to a variety of remote desktops using the same proximity badges commonly used for building access and identification purposes. So Fred, let's talk about our setup.
Okay. We've got two Hewlett-Packard devices that we want to show today. The first is here. It's a Hewlett-Packard T410 Smart Zero client, and the other is next to us, which we'll show in a minute, which is the HP T610.
Excellent. So like a shared workstation environment one might find in a hospital, physician clinic, hotel front desk, something like this?
That's correct. Excellent.
And I see we have a VMware view backend infrastructure. Let's talk a little bit about that.
Right, so for today's demonstration we'll be showing QwickACCESS to VMware View running on the Hewlett-Packard devices. However, QwickACCESS also supports other desktop technologies such as Citrix XenApp or Zen Desktop or Microsoft Terminal Server.
Fantastic, okay. So from the workflow we've got QwickACCESS's tap in, tap out, tap over, and roaming. Let's walk through that.
Sure. So you as a user can tap into QwickACCESS simply by tapping the proximity badge on the reader. That will automatically log you into VMware View in this particular case and get you to your work wherever you left off.
Great. So I've tapped into my session. I can access my applications, begin my work. What happens if I'm quickly called away from my workstation and I need to secure it, complying with HIPAA, PCI, and other security regulations?
Right. So instead of trying to figure out how to disconnect your session or manually log off, all you simply need to do is tap out, which means just tap your badge on the reader. QwickACCESS then will secure that session, and it's in a disconnected state on the server side, and another user at this point could come up and use the workstation.
Perfect. So let's say you, Fred, you come along and you'd like to use this workstation.
Yes, I can simply tap my own badge in that case, and that will log me into VMware View, into my own unique VMware View desktop session, and I can start my own work where I left off. Your work I can't get to, it's secure. I can then use my own. And this is just a Windows 7 desktop, so any other applications I've got installed here, Word, Excel, whatever else, I can go ahead and start to use.
Fantastic. Okay. In the event that you're quickly called away and you end up not tapping out, what happens?
Right, so let's say I walk away from this and I neglect to tap out, and then you walk up with your own badge and you want to use the workstation. You don't have to try to figure out what to do with my session. You just simply tap your badge on the reader. That will automatically disconnect and secure my session and log you into your own unique VMware View session, and you can begin your work right where you left off.
Excellent. So far we've shown tap in, tap out, tap over. Session portability, let's say I'm in a different part of the organization, I'd like to access my remote desktop. How do I do that?
Right. Let's talk about active roaming, and we'll demonstrate that by leaving this session open here and then walking over to the T610 and showing that active roaming.
Excellent. Let's roam.
Follow me. So we've left your session active on that first workstation, and now you want to access that session on this workstation. So to do that, you simply need to tap your card on the reader. That will automatically disconnect your active session on the first workstation and roam it over to the second workstation. You can then begin your work exactly where you left it.
Got it.
I should also mention that QwickACCESS will work seamlessly with other single sign-on solutions. For example, HealthCast's ExactAccess single sign-on or Citrix single sign-on.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Fred. So let's summarize what we've just seen. So with the HP Thin clients and QwickACCESS combined solution, I can tap in, tap out, tap over, and roam my remote session to any other QwickACCESS enabled HP device. QwickACCESS automates and speeds access to a variety of remote desktops offered by VMware, Citrix, Microsoft, supports HP's Windows, Linux, Smart Zero clients, and is extremely intuitive using the same proximity badges that are already widely used, and it simplifies security and workflow to promote compliance with privacy policies.
That's absolutely right.
All right. Well, thank you, Fred. This is great. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. And for more information about the combined QwickACCESS and HP Thin Client or Smart Zero Client solution, please see the information at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching.